The gentle tick-tock of antique watches fills Morgan's workshop as he polishes the brass case of his grandfather's legacy, Thompson & Sons Watchmakers, established 1923. The storefront window reflects modern skyscrapers creeping ever closer, their steel shadows stretching across his workbench. A letter from Sterling Development Group sits unopened, likely another buyout offer. Morgan opens the final watch repair of the day, a weathered pocket watch identical to one his grandfather once owned. Inside, he discovers a carefully folded nota. Time reveals all treasures. Intrigued, he begins noticing similar messages tucked into vintage timepieces brought for repair. Each tells a story of perseverance through hardship, of moments when time stood still but life moved forward. As more customers share their watch stories, word spreads. The shop becomes known not just for repairs, but for preserving memories. Local news features the Black Timekeeper's tales, drawing crowds seeking to add their stories to the collection. When Sterling Development returns, they find not a struggling shop, but a thriving cultural landmark. Morgan realizes his grandfather's true inheritance wasn't the shop itself, but the wisdom to see value in what others discard. Like the watches he repairs, some traditions don't need replacing, they just need someone to keep them ticking, one story at a time.